Real estate investors, you may want to listen up to this one. 1031 exchange is a mechanism by when doing a commercial sale of a property, you're able to not pay the taxes legally. You can defer them for a later date. Obviously, there's a specific process to this, and I'm going to go into that more into detail. But you typically have to buy like-for-like property. You have to have a commercial property, something that is income generating, and buy another commercial income generating property, typically of higher value. This way, all the money that you would have paid to Uncle Sam can be used to buy a bigger and grander property. First step in doing a 1031 exchange is putting your property up for sale. Second step is allocating typically up to 6 properties that you're looking to purchase. Once your property comes to sale, you put in an offer on those properties, and one of them you choose and get an offer together. Once you get your offer together and you move forward with that, you have 180 days to close. Let's break it down in terms of an example. So let's just say you bought a 5-unit building 10 years ago for $500,000. Many years later, you're selling it for $1 million. Typically, on everything that we sell, we have to pay taxes in real estate. Don't let Uncle Sam stop you from maximizing your investment.